Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account on iPhone. So you can permanently delete your Instagram account directly from your iPhone. So open the Instagram app. Next, tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Next, so under your account at the top, select Account Center. Then from here, scroll down and select Manage Accounts. Next, select your Instagram account and click Manage. Next, select deactivation or deletion. Now in here, what you need to do is to select delete account, then click continue again, select the reason, click continue, then click continue again, enter your password. Next, enter your password and click continue, then click delete account to permanently delete your account. So your profile and account details will be deleted. So you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then, and you can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging in to your Instagram account. And that's basically it. So that's how you can delete Instagram account on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.